Hello everyone! Hello guys! Welcome again to my channel. It's Marie, and today I have received my order from Pink Panda. I ordered this one last May 20 and today is already May 27 of May. So I got here. So I will do unboxing for you, and later I will do a review for the products. Receive it like this one in a bubble. Wrap it in a bubble like this. And with a pink box, of course, because the online shop name is Pink Panda, so it's here. It's cute, isn't it? So let's open. Oh, it's like a shoe box. So simple like that. So let us see what's inside. So again, it is wrapped inside with a paper, and again with a bubble wrapper. So we got here inside the box. I have ordered, I think this one is they call it a box. This is the number, I forgot, number 62. Let us see what's inside the 64. It's number 64, and the whole box inside is cost €48.99, but the total price, they said, it's €106.48. So let us see. So first we have here two eyeshadow palette from Nabla. And I saw this one. I have checked the name of this product, and the price of this product costed something almost €35. And I got two from them. One is Nabla Soul Blooming eyeshadow palette, and the Nabla Dreaming eyeshadow palette. So let's check the color. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one. I'm so excited. Look the color. You can play with this color also. This is like color for fall or spring. You can use this one for your evening parties or activities. And the next one is the other one is this Blooming, so Soul Blooming from Nabla. Oh, look at the color, it's so nice. This is for spring or daylight, for morning, for day makeup, and the other one is for evening makeup. So and the packaging is so nice. Look, with the flowering. It looks expensive. And next we have, this is my first collection of Revolution, so I don't have any product from them, so this is my first time to try their product. I have tried it with Apple Shane thing. So we have the Revolution here, Revolution Makeup Revolution London Vivid Baked Bronzer. This is here. Say hello, Juliana.
Hello.
And next is we have the Revolution Brow Sculpt Kit for the eyebrow. And we have also the waterproof liquid eyeliner. And the next is we have this is from Live Love Makeup Obsession London palette. Live Love, I don't know this brand, so it's my first time also to have this. It's a bronzing palette and it's closed. I don't want to open it. Maybe next time when I will use these products here. And we have lip liner here, and this is also from Revolution, and the color is Chapeau, whatever. And we have also here Revolution lipstick. It's here and in the shade of Pro Supreme Lipstick Rebellious. Pro Supreme Lipstick Rebellious. And we have also eyelashes, fake eyelashes. And the last but not the least are the facial mask. So we have here again another plastic, and it has 4 inside. One is for superfood cannabis satina peel off mask. The other, this one, and the other one is the superfood barberry mud mask. On the superfood matcha and chia clay mask. Chia. And the last is the superfood avocado clay mask. I like the name superfood, so it's a food for your skin. So because it's very important also to feed your skin, to take care of your skin, to hydrate your skin, so that you will also look so good when you apply makeup. So it's necessary to take care of your skin, especially your face. So I will try also this one, and I will give you a review. I will give you a feedback, since I have a very sensitive skin, especially on my face part. I will try this one and share it to you next time. So inside the box, I paid again €48 and 99 cents, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, but how could I count it? This is 1 is already 4, so 4 items, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So all in all, we got here 13 items for only 48 and 99 cents. So it's a good price. And before I ordered online, I have checked the review from other girls who ordered from this online store, and they commented that this store has problem when it comes to delivery and also billing system. They said that they received twice billings they also receive the item so late, and so on and so forth. But so far I am happy with my experience. I ordered it for last May 20, and 7 days after I got the items already. And they also pointed out that because of the corona situation, the COVID-19 situation, that the items or the delivery is a little bit slow. So, but anyway, I'm so happy that I already got it, and I'm so excited to try it for you. So see you again on my other video when I will be using this product, and I will also tell it to you how it is, how the performance of these products, the pigmentation, the texture, and the sustainability. So watch out, and thank you very much guys for watching this video. And also enjoyed it, and if you do, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be posted every time I have a new video. Thank you very much guys. See you once again. Bye.